Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your Camtasia Studio file and project. So let's get started. In our previous lecture we record our computer screen. Now this is here and this is our raw recorded file. This raw file will automatically save to desktop because we select the file as the location to temporary storage. You can change the location clicking on the edit button, then preference, a pop-up window open, then advanced. Here is the temporary storage folder. You can change the folder as you want. By default I would like to save it as my desktop, so hit the button, press OK. This is a raw material file. You can delete the file from your timeline, or if you want you can add this. To save the recorded file as a project, simply click on Save As button. And type whatever you want. Successfully, this file saved on your desktop in scproj file format.